Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that stands out as the best option for anyone looking to create custom designs with ease. The 6mm clear Mylar stencil sheets from EGOSKY. These stencil sheets are a game-changer for artists, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts. Let's explore what makes these sheets so special and how they can elevate your crafting experience. First off, let's talk about the dimensions. Each sheet measures a generous 12 by 24 inches, allowing ample space for all your creative ideas. The pack includes 15 sheets, which means you'll have plenty of material for various projects, whether you're crafting, painting, or making unique decorations. What really sets these stencil sheets apart is their thickness. At 6mm, they strike the perfect balance between flexibility and durability. This thickness allows for easy cutting while still providing the strength you need to reuse these stencils multiple times. You won't have to worry about them bending or breaking, making them ideal for both intricate designs and larger patterns. Another highlight of these Mylar sheets is their clarity. The transparent material makes tracing a breeze. You can easily see through the sheets, allowing for precise placement and alignment of your designs. This is particularly useful for those who enjoy intricate art forms or need to replicate specific patterns. Now, let's discuss compatibility. These stencil sheets are designed to work seamlessly with vinyl cutting machines. So whether you're using a Cricut or another type of machine, you can effortlessly create stunning stencils for your projects. And if you prefer to cut by hand, you'll find these sheets are just as easy to handle with a craft knife or scissors. In terms of applications, the possibilities are endless. You can use these sheets for painting walls, windows, and fabric, or even for creating cookie stencils and face paint designs for parties and events. Imagine the fun you can have customizing your home decor or crafting personalized gifts for loved ones. Moreover, the versatility of these stencils makes them suitable for a variety of crafting techniques. Whether you're into airbrushing, screen printing, or traditional painting, these Mylar sheets will meet your needs and inspire your creativity. Let's not forget about the value for money. Priced at just $16.99, this 15-pack provides incredible value considering the quality and versatility of the product. You're not just buying sheets, you're investing in your creativity. As we wrap up, it's clear that the EGOSKY 6mm clear Mylar stencil sheets are an essential tool for any crafting arsenal. Their size, thickness, and clarity make them the best choice for both beginners and seasoned artists alike. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you're looking to unleash your creativity and take your crafting projects to the next level, these stencil sheets are a must-have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. Happy crafting, and we'll see you next time.